I can't believe I have to say this, but I really, really want everyone and their mom to stop baking, especially if you're over 35. When you do your makeup, if you're baking or even using a powder puff to set your foundation, a few hours later, you're probably like, I look a little dry and dull. It's because you're using too much powder. So here's what I want you to do instead. I want you to grab a powder brush. Any powder brush will do. You're gonna grab your translucent powder. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and it's my absolute favorite because it is super fine. And super fine means that it's gonna feel lighter on your face. When you open your translucent powder, no matter which one you have, you're probably gonna have powder on the lid. So I want you to take your brush, go right into that powder, swirl it around so the powder gets all within the bristle. Then you're gonna tap off the excess. I don't want you to have a lot of powder, so tap off that excess. Then you're gonna hold the brush further down the handle. And we're using the translucent powder to set our makeup because it will help your makeup stay on longer throughout the day, but I don't want you to use too much. So you're just gonna take this and you're gonna just press all over your face, and that's it. That's how you're gonna set your makeup. You don't have to roll, because sometimes when you roll the powder or roll the powder puff, it can pick up your foundation. So just light taps around the face, and look, that mattified everything. And that's all you need to do. And friends who glow together, grow together, so share this so everyone knows.